Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to download torrents at high speeds using a cloud-based tool called Seedr. First, I'm heading over to the PirateBay to find a file. I've found a movie here, and I'm just going to right-click and copy the magnet link. The best part about this method is that I don't need to install any heavy torrent software on my own device. Now, let's go to Seedr.cc. If you're new, you can easily create an account here by entering your email. Since I already have an account, you'll see it shows user already exists when I try to sign up again, so I'll just go ahead and log in. You can also use Google Login for a faster start. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Paste Link URL here box at the top. I've already given Seedr permission to access my clipboard, so it automatically detects my magnet link. Just click the plus icon, and Seedr's high-speed servers start collecting seeds instantly. It's doing all the heavy lifting in the cloud, so it doesn't use my phone's data or battery for the seeding process. Right now, I'm using the free tier, which gives you a generous 2 gigabytes of cloud storage to start with, perfect for high-quality movies or software. In just a few seconds, the file is ready. I can now download it directly to my device as a high-speed direct link, or even stream it right here in the browser. And that's it. The download is finished in record time. Seedr is a lifesaver if you want fast, private, and easy torrenting without any extra software. Thanks for watching.